this your birds?
Yes, sir.
Are you selling them?
No, no, no. For fresh air.
Oh, just for fresh air?
Yeah.
That's so interesting.
Well, everyone needs some fresh air, you know. It's back upstairs, you know.
Right. So interesting. They have names?
Brandon and Naya.
Brandon and Naya.
The two grandkids.
Your two grandkids.
Yeah, they name are Brandon and Naya, so I named them Brandon and Naya.
Brandon and Naya.
Hey, buddy, how you doing, man? Good, how are you? Okay, Papa.
And I'm hearing an accent. Where are you from, sir?
Guyana.
Ah, okay. And did you have birds down there?
We have parrots, yeah, parakeet, they have so much stuff.
Oh, that's right. In Guyana, there's all these wild
Yeah,
birds and things.
Canary, they sing a whole day. Macaws, parrots, so much stuff we had there, man.
Right. And so you'd catch them and keep them in.
You can lose them right to the backyard, they're okay.
Okay.
They don't go nowhere because they come fly and come back.
Right, right.
You know where the food are, right? You put out bread, you put out rice or this and that, you know. They go and they come back.
Right. Wow. Thank you for sharing that with me.
Yeah, man. When you can get, you don't buy nothing, you plant your own stuff, man. You mind your own fowl, your chicken, your goat, your big backyard, you got big stuff, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Tropical living.
Yeah, man.
And Guyana's a rich, everything grows.
Yeah, everything goes.
So green and lush. Water,
yeah.
earth,
Nothing fertilizer. Come from the earth. Fit from the earth, man.
just natural.
Natural, brother.
Oh, Brandon and Naya, they have it good. Here on Dundas West. Aha, here's my... And here we are. So I came for Franglish, French and Belgian gourmet food.